Hi, this is Charles from WOODFAST, coming to you from our Perth headquarters in Western Australia. Today we're going to talk about our WOODFAST thicknesser, the TH410A standalone thicknesser, or as a planer in America, known as a planer. This machine's got a 410 wide capacity by 220 millimeters depth of cut height, so you can put through some pretty serious bits of timber. It's got our school switch buttons, so we've got green on, red off, and an emergency stop. There's one on the front and there's also one on the back here. So if you're operating it from either side, you can hit that if you need to. To release that, you just twist it and that will release the emergency stop. This is a no volt relay system, so you need to, if the power is lost, the machine won't turn on automatically. You have to push the button in to restart the machine. This machine is equipped with a digital display on the front here, so when you are adjusting your heights, you can easily see what your height is, or you can read the manual display if you want. When you've hit your position where you want to go, you just lock up these two here, and that will keep the table nice and tight and stop it from coming out of position. To access the cutters on this machine, it's also got a mechanical lock on it. So you just pull this cover off and there's an Allen key that goes down there. That will loosen it off, undo the screw. So then you can open up the lid. There's also a micro switch in the lid. So that way you've got double safety. You've got a mechanical protection and also electrical connection. So there's no way the machine will turn on when you do have this cover open. This machine is fitted with the spiral cutter block with the carbide insert tips, the four-sided insert tips, so you can just loosen off the screw and turn that carbide tip around once the edge does lose its edge and they're due for a changeover. The advantages of a spiral cutter block are the noise of the machine when it's working the material. It's much quieter. You get a much smoother finish, almost like it's already sanded. Works really well on hard timbers, soft timbers, on curly grains and things like that, because you're getting a peeling effect. It cuts through that material and you get less tear out. Just a much better finish that you get overall. Dust connection on the back is a 125 millimeter outlet, so you can connect your extraction onto that, and you can have it feeding either way, so you can feed to the left or to the right of the machine. You just reverse that around. To put the hood back down, you just pull up this safety bolt here, and then the lid will come down. Tighten up the Allen key. Put the little cap back over it, and you're ready to run. This machine is available in single phase or three phase. So the single phase machine is a 4 horsepower motor with a 15 amp plug. The three phase machine, this one here, is a 5.5 horsepower motor. So it's got plenty of grunt, good for schools and industrial applications, and good solid machine. Cast iron tables and built to the same high qualities of all the WOODFAST range of machinery. That's just a brief introduction to our WOODFAST TH410 thicknesser. Hope you've answered a few of your questions. If you've got any other questions or you want any more information on it, send us a comment or send us an email and we'll be sure to answer that for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.